Okay, let's recall the definition of conditional probability. Probability A given B, defined to be probability A and B divided by PB. This is covered in the prerequisite of this course, like a 201 or 203, okay? If you forget this or this part become very rusty, go back to read my YouTube video. I post my YouTube video for that purpose, okay? So this is called multiplication rule. Probability A and B. If you type PB on both sides, okay? This is called multiplication rule for any two events, okay? Probability A and B is PA times PA given B. Or you say, similarly, look at here, probability B given A is probability B and A over PA. If you times PA on both sides, you get B and A is equal to PA times PB given A. Okay? A and B, B and A, they are the same. Since they are the same, this becomes a bridge to bring PA and B is equal to PA times PB given A. And this is also equal to PB times PA given B. Among these two conditional probability, usually one is harder than the other ones. Okay? Usually one is harder than the other ones. So since we have this bridge, if this is a harder one, the harder conditional probability, to evaluate this probability, we can always use this equality, okay? Say this is harder. To find this harder conditional probability, okay, they are equal. So this is what? Equal to the easy one, okay? This one I bring to this side. Say this is an easier conditional probability. This is a harder conditional probability. To find the harder conditional probability through the easy one, you can evaluate what? The harder one, okay? Okay, look at here, I'm recording now, okay? This example says a company needs certain product, and the product can come from two suppliers, supplier 1 and supplier 2. Supplier 1 provides 60%, okay? Supplier 2 provided 40%. And among those products provided by supplier 1, 90% are good, 10% are bad. And for supplier 2, 80% are good, 20% are bad, okay? Now, look at this two conditional probability. Probability supplier 1, given this is bad, how likely from supplier 1? And this is, given this is supplier 1, how likely is bad? Okay? Are you with me so far? If I call this is A given B, then this is what? This is B given A. So far, so good? Somebody answer my question.
Yes.
Tell me, which one is easier? This is easier or this is easier?
The second.
The second one is easier. Why second one is easier? Because you follow the tree diagram, the information provided. If this is from supplier one, how light is bad? Well, that's 90%. Am I correct? This one is harder because this one doesn't follow the tree structure. Okay? So to find this conditional probability, we need to use what? Bayes' theorem. Probability A given B. Probability A given B is probability A and B divided by PB.
3/7.
Supplier one, and it's bad. Divided by the par is bad. Okay? Supplier one and bad, that can be right as what? Look at the tree diagram, right as the easy one. You know this is easy one, right? Okay, from supplier one times what? Given this is from supplier one, how likely is bad? And this is probability bad. Probability bad can be right as what? Bad and come from supplier one. Okay, plus the bad one can come from what? Supplier two. Okay, and why I call this is easy? Well, this probability, every information you need, you can get it directly from the tree diagrams, okay? Supplier one is what? 60%. And given this is from supplier one, how likely is bad? Given this is from supplier one, how likely is bad? Only 10%. Okay, only 10%. So same thing, we're gonna convert this one as what? Remember, this is easy one, right? This is hard one. And how we deal with this one? This one can be written similarly. Supplier one times, given this is from supplier one. And this is bad. So the same what? The same probabilities. So you just copied it down. Okay, you just copied it down. How about this one here? Same story, okay? Supplier two is what? Supplier two is 40%. Given this come from supplier two, how likely is bad? Come from supplier two is bad, is 20%. So the answer is 60% times 10%, over 60% times 10%, plus 40% times 20%. Okay? And you can find the answer yourself. Okay?